Good morning, Jehovah's Witnesses.
Hi, could I speak to somebody in the service department? I've just got something important to say.
Yeah, of course. I'll just put you through now for
Thank you.
Thank you.
Will never be. Good morning, service department. How can I help you this morning?
Hello, brother. How are you?
Not too bad, thank you. Yeah, good. And you?
All right, yeah. I've just are you aware that it's the total solar eclipse over North America today?
Personally, I am. Yes.
Right.
I was aware about
Because
that
I'm telling you
yesterday.
now, and your governing body don't know, this is the sign in Revelation chapter 6, verse 12 that says, "And I saw when he opened the sixth seal, a great earthquake occurred, and the sun became black as sackcloth made of hair, and the entire moon became blood."
Right.
So that's obviously talking about a solar eclipse. Because it's actually...
Obviously, but I don't know about obviously, but I'll take your point.
Yeah, if you look on jw.org, the cross-reference to that is Joel chapter 2, verse 31, where it says the sun will be darkened and the moon will turn to blood before the great and inspiring day of Jehovah. Now, the moon turning to blood is actually on March the... when is it? March the 14th, 2025.
Okay.
That's the sign. And you know the earthquake that it mentions in Revelation 12, and a great earthquake occurred. That occurred on the 1st of January, which was in Honshu, Japan. And using the letters in Honshu, Japan, you've got Joshua, which is my son's name. And it was actually mentioned by David Splain on JW News number 1, update number 1.
Okay.
So... I'm telling you, this is a warning. I am, and I know you, and I think you've been looking at my my Facebook page, James Hashay, Hacche, because I know I rang up before and he says, "How's your dad, David Hashay?" So I know they're looking at it, but I'm actually Malachi chapter 4 verse 5 says, "I am the prophet. I will send the prophet Elijah before the great and fear-inspiring day of the Lord." Now, I am the prophet Elijah reborn, and what I'm saying is, if you looked at all my evidence that I have collected since 2008, Bible codes, gematria and everything like that, you will realize who I am. I am not joking. I am soon going to take over the Watchtower.
Okay.
Right. So I was warning you. You know the earth. Are you aware of the earthquake in New York yesterday on the 3 days before the solar eclipse on the 5th?
Yes, yes, I was, sir. Yeah.
Well, the last big earthquake, that was 4.8. The last big earthquake in New York was in 1884, and it was the epicenter was at Brooklyn, which was where the Watchtower had their world headquarters. And 1884 is when Charles Taze Russell formed the Watchtower Bible and Tract Society. So that 4.8 earthquake is a message to the Watchtower. They would have felt that in world headquarters, I'm sure, because it was only about 57 miles away. Now the thing is, it happened on the it happened on the Ramapo fault line, and the media center at Watchtower is called Ramapo. So you can see the connections mathematically I'm making.
Okay. Well, thank you very much for
well, I've warned you. I've warned you now. I'm going on a campaign today, right? To I'm not saying what it is because I'm not informing my enemies what I'm doing. But on the 25th of, on the 3rd of August 2025, I will take down the Watchtower. That's a prophecy that you hear, right?
Okay.
And I've
thank you very much for your call, then. That's fine.
All right.
Then.
Bye.
All right. Have a good day.